is the book which was is a bride. The best we can do is to give that magnitude of commitment we will do to our bride. A round of applause. That is what let us do. I think 5 factorial will not be bad.
What is my real me that ought to be expressed?
What is happening in our country today is shocking. Do you know that there are young people who wake up as early as 3 a.m. and they can't resist the urge to have alcohol. They drink, go to sleep, and when they wake up, the very first thing they want is to sip alcohol. Those are the kind of values that we are passing on to our children, and we think we are going to have a nation.
Let us be known by our action. When we look at our leaders in Kenya today, do we have authentic leaders? You may not say yes or no, but think about it. Why is corruption a part of our life? Why is it becoming such a problem to us? Our action, the examples we set, must be what leads us.